Hi, well, if you're tired of making the pasta the traditional way, then this recipe will definitely delight you because this is a fusion recipe and it is made up of flavorful sauce that is a really delicious and rich gravy. And I have combined with very different spices, so let's get started. We need some penne pasta. You can use any pasta that you like, but I believe that this penne pasta goes really well with this dish. So we're going to begin with boiling some water in the pot. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and we're going to add the pasta and cook the pasta according to the instructions and adding 1 teaspoon of oil. Now cook until they are al dente. That means they are somewhat cooked but not all the way. Now drain it and apply some oil so that they don't stick together, and save 1 cup of this water for the later use. Now heat half tablespoon of oil in a pan. When oil is hot, I'm going to add some chopped onions, and here I have some garlic, ginger and green chilies as per my taste. If you like more or less, you can adjust. And red bell pepper. This gives a nice sweet flavor as well as the color to the gravy. Now saute until they are slightly turning brown. After that, add 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes and about a half teaspoon of salt, and cook until they are nice and mushy. You may add water if you like. Now when they are mushy, just turn off the flame and let it cool. After they cool down, I'm going to take it out in a blending jar and blend until it is nice smooth paste. Just like this, and look at the color. Now heat 1 tablespoon of butter, and here I am adding green peas and red bell pepper. Wow, Christmassy green! It looks like Christmas lights, doesn't it? Well, add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and add the gravy that we blended and mix really well, and use the pasta water that we saved earlier. Now add Kasoori methi, garam masala and red chili powder and sugar and 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Now mix it really well, and then we are going to cover this and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. So the gravy is nicely cooked. Now we are going to add the pasta and just simmer for a few minutes. And here our Makhani Pasta is ready. Now let's take it out in a serving bowl, and look at the bright orange color. This is because of the red bell pepper. Now I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese and garnish with a mint leaf. How you like this recipe? Please let me know in the comment box below. Enjoy this delicious fusion recipe, Makhani Pasta. Try it today, let me know in the comment box, and don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Happy holidays! Bye bye!